got one. We already tried that in the first heat. We don't need to be parking on top of other cars. Oh, solid hit over onto the 55D. Oh, our raffle car's making some hits already. A couple little fender benders over here in the corner, nothing big. Oh, you're lining them up, trying to get a shot to the back. Gardner coming in, give him a little shove. There we go, now they got their, now they've found the skinny pedal. Coming right into your living room if you're on the other side of the ring there. Heat number 2 seems to be a little more strategic than heat number 1, where it was just go, 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 hit, hit, hit. See a lot of people trying to line up some shots, but you gotta, whoa! A little bit too much go-go. Hopefully he can get himself off that berm. I don't think his friends are gonna bring him down. Just watch out if you're behind that 15 car, if he happens to be chucking some rock or some dirt your way. I think he's probably going to be stuck. Raffle car seems to be the, oh, there we go. I kind of broke everybody loose there. Now we can keep going again. That was a pretty solid hit. Coming around. See, they're trying to pick their spots because you got to watch. You can't be hitting that white driver's door. That's why, for anybody here, if they're first time and they're not familiar, the reason the driver's doors are white so that they're easily identifiable. And anybody hitting the driver's door determined to be intentional by the officials will be disqualified. Still 4 cars going. $55D, here we go! Yeah! That's solid hit. Oh! I think he got the one finger salute there. So it might have been a little harder than he wanted to get hit. So it looks like 15 is out. Car number 8. I think he's having some mechanical troubles. He's kind of stuck there. Our raffle car still looks pretty solid. Still going. Okay, it's a little less solid. Oh yeah, that was a good hit right in the driver's fender. 55D, Sean Gardner doing a little tap there to the driver's fender also. The 333 car looks like it's a bit hung up there. The wheel on this side's not turning. I don't know, I can't see the other side if he's still able to go or not. Well, now it kind of looks like the Walmart parking lot. That 333 is going to call it. He can't go anymore. So it looks like we're down to 55D in our raffle car. Oh yeah, I think we're down. I think that's it. 55D. Your winner for heat number 2, Sean Gardner in the 55D, sponsored by Milco Steel Profile Paving. Big round of applause for guys in heat number 2 putting on a good show.